Hey yo, I'm Kane, and this is my D Chris, and we're blood brothers.
Yeah, you can't tell us apart, right? Well, it's normal because we are twins. And Kane is my elder brother, and I came out a whopping 93 seconds.
But that's where the resemblance ends. You see, Chris over here, he's more like the good seed. Oh, but I'm more like the bad egg. You know, the bad seed. You know, the rotten egg.
Go on, that's all in the past already, right?
Cause greater love knows no man like this, that a man may die for his friends. You see, I was in big trouble dealing with drugs, and there was this one time I was set up. It was set up.
But then I knew about it, and because my fiance, she was the cop in charge of the bus, and yeah, very drama, yeah.
And my D here, he took my place. Cause we are twins.
It's okay, Paul. It's okay. Compose yourself. You've been solving for 15 minutes.
And he was sent to jail though. He was almost hung
Until the police found out that the heroin was actually salt, and therefore I'm now a free man.
and I'm a changed man. And that is why we are going to take part in this amazing race.